In this video, we are going to see how we can install the TikTok application on your smartphone, Android phone or iPhone. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process here, guys. All you have to do is just search for the Google applications and search for Play Store. Here we have the Play Store in the Google folder, but if you can't find it here, you just swipe up for the menu and right here Play Store. You head over to that and you click on search. And from here, we just write TikTok. And you will get the TikTok application automatically because it is a very popular application. So you will get this thing as well for the verification. It's almost 1 billion plus downloads and it's only of 182 MB. So depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. So click on install and just wait for the installation to complete. And once it is 100% complete, it will automatically start installing. So once the app is installed, we'll click on open. It might scan automatically and we can close it, click on open. And it might ask you for the credentials or any kind of permissions. You click on allow, you choose your preferences, click next. And after that, you might need to log in to any of your account. So click on login. It will show you the current account, or you can add another account if you want to. Click on continue. And then you can see your profile logged in properly by just clicking on the bottom right hand corner. So that is how we can install and use the TikTok application. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.